Welcome back to Today in AZ. In Arizona, there are 5 very important C's: copper, cotton, citrus, climate, and cattle. They've always played an important role in our economy and still do to this day.
And this morning, Team 12's Jess Winters joins us live from Stotz Dairy in Buckeye, where they're bringing cows into the classroom. All right, so Jess, I guess this would save some money on milk for the classroom, but I feel like you would offset all that by the extra cleaning supplies that you need. How does this work?
Milk, butter, cheese, ice cream. Kids love ice cream, right? Okay, so the Adopt a Cow program, yes, it brings a cow into the classroom, but virtually. They're not going to physically be in there, right? It would be hard for them to come through the door. For more on this to explain, I'm going to bring in Jennifer Millican. She is the farmer that was chosen this year for Discover Dairy, and you're the first Arizona farmer chosen, right? How did that come about?
Yeah, this was actually a program that was started on the East Coast, and it's been expanding. When they approached the Arizona Dairy Council, I'm on the Arizona Dairy Council, so they reached out to me and asked me if I was interested in participating.
The million-dollar question this morning: how does this work? What does it mean to adopt a cow if it's not in the classroom?
So you go on to discoverdairy.com and you can sign up until the 25th. It's completely free. And then they will match you with a cow. If you're from Arizona, you're going to get one of my cows. I'll be sending pictures, videos. There's going to be Zoom calls. The kids can write letters to the cow, and we will answer questions in some of the Zoom calls.
They'll respond to a letter?
Yeah, moo, right? I'll translate for them, though. It's okay.
You have a really tough job, from my understanding. You have to pick the 4 cutest calves. How are you going to do it?
It is going to be tough because all calves are cute, but we'll have a contest on the dairy. We'll vote.
And kids can learn about agriculture. It's more than just learning about the cow itself. It's how food gets on the table. How important is that for kids to learn?
Oh, I think it's very important. You know, so many kids think that food comes from a grocery store, and maybe learning a little bit about their food will teach them how important it is to finish everything on their plate.
Really quickly, give us one fun fact about cows.
Oh gosh, one cow can make 100 glasses of milk in a day.
100 glasses? What? Jennifer, thank you so much, and congrats on being picked as the first Arizona farmer for the Discover Dairy.
Thank you, and thank you for coming out. I appreciate it.
Thank you. Jennifer told me earlier that I look more like a Dalmatian than a cow, even though I really tried. Okay, teachers, if you want to sign up to adopt a cow for your classroom, we have the link on our website, 12news.com. Live in Buckeye, Jess Winters, Today in AZ.
Yeah, hopefully some of our teachers are moved to participate. Thank you so much. I know, there's not even such thing as a mom joke. Thanks, Jen.